For billions of years, a story was written in stone.
Earth kept a diary of worlds, each line an age gone by. Then, a new sentence began. A different kind of fossil.
Not of bone, but of thought. An object that would not forget.
The sentence became a chapter, a library of human noise.
Concrete, metal, glass, and a material made to last forever.
Imagine a future. Visitors sifting through our layers.
What story will they find? What new rock have we made?
Not just the bones of giants, but a stratum of our choices. Our indelible mark, humanity's echo, etched in stone.